Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with StockCharts.com technical analysis review my usage experience. StockCharts.com technical analysis review my usage experience offers a comprehensive platform for technical analysis of stocks and other financial instruments. Its main purpose is to provide traders and investors with tools to chart, analyze, and interpret market data, aiding in investment decisions. Key features include a wide array of charting tools, indicators, and analysis options. Their website provides details on specific features and plans. Their website provides details on different subscription levels and features. They highlight ease of use, a large library of technical indicators, and customizable charting options. Pricing is transparent, with different subscription tiers clearly outlined. They emphasize the depth of their data and the advanced charting capabilities compared to free alternatives. Availability is worldwide, accessible through a web browser. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using StockCharts.com technical analysis review my usage experience. Getting started was straightforward. I signed up for a trial, and the onboarding process guided me through the essential features. Navigating the interface took a little getting used to initially, as it's packed with features. However, once I familiarized myself with the layout, I found it quite intuitive. I particularly enjoyed using the drawing tools to identify potential support and resistance levels on the charts, and the ability to easily add multiple indicators to a single chart was a major plus. The platform performed flawlessly. I experienced no lag or glitches during my use. I had a quick question about a specific indicator, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by the sheer number of technical indicators available and the customizability of the charts. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve for beginners. It's not a tool you'll master in a day. Another small con is the lack of a dedicated mobile app, though the website is responsive and works well on mobile browsers. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with StockCharts.com. It's a powerful tool for technical analysis, and despite the initial learning curve, the depth of features makes it well worth the subscription cost. That's my overview of StockCharts.com technical analysis review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.